We got our 2007 Honda Rancher. It's a TRX 400 FGA. It's the model with the GPS. It's been having trouble. It's got some noise in the motor. I've been running ethanol-free fuel in it, but now I just put that Shell V-Power. It's got a lot higher octane. On the forums online, they think it's just a ping, a gas ping from not having enough octane. Let me start it up and see. Oh, right at 500 miles. I got it with 75 original miles. Right at 500 miles, there was a loud clang in the engine. I never did anything with it and just kept riding it. Now it's got 2,600 miles on it. Might have changed a little bit. I put this muffler on, hoping it would quiet it down, but it's the noise in the motor. It's not the muffler, it's not the exhaust. But it did quiet the muffler a lot, or the exhaust. It sounds like it still has a little bit of noise, but not as bad. It's only got 2,203.8 hours. It would have 2,651 miles. I made this mod for the thumb. The thumb was messing me up real bad like this, look. It was giving me fatigue. I couldn't ride it very long. My thumb would start hurting real bad. I put this rubber hose on there. It worked really good, watch. And just hold it like that, not like that. I can ride it real good now. Before I couldn't even ride it for an hour. My thumb hurt so bad. Oh, the tires and wheels. I got brand new takeoff tires and wheels for $150. I think they charged me $159 total. They were taken off a brand new ATV right from the Honda dealership. They were a real good deal. Mine had the original tires. They were all dry rotted from 2007. Those black wheels look kind of cool. It does seem like that ethanol, or that Shell V-Power gas did quiet the noise a little bit. It's called a gas ping noise. This video shot in Sony K4 or 4K with a FDR AX33 4K camcorder.